Okay, show us how it works.
What are you doing, Aim?
Guess I'm calling. Wait, I need to do this.
Well, can you imagine, Nate? That'd be a lot. Well, it'd be hard to get the right number on that, wouldn't it?
Don't
So
show him
is
yet.
that
Wade.
what you would do to call me? Are you?
Don't show him.
He ain't never gonna figure it
No,
out.
he ain't.
I want one,
You want me
please.
to show you how to do it?
No, no one.
Why?
Is it dialing? Has it got the dial tone?
Pro dial 911 didn't know it.
He didn't dial the area code.
Hang up.
You have to dial an area code. Okay.
We used to didn't. We used to just dial 326,000. That was our number.
Hey, move your hand. Let me see that phone. Let me see that phone, Aim. Okay.
Don't laugh. Okay.
Oh, no, those are
No, it's not. I mean, you don't have a way of knowing.
He has no point of
How long you gotta
reference.
film it?
You're videoing it, right? We're going to put this on Facebook and make a lot of money. You're going to be so embarrassed when we show you what you're doing wrong. Look the fall out.
Oh, we need to take one.
To get it right, I just don't understand.
Oh!
Oh, I get it. I get it.
Oh, he's figuring
What?
out. Do
I
it.
get it.
Alright. Think again.
Try again.
Try again.
Good, come on. Hey, it's not that hard, Mr. Computer Man. The man that knows how to do everything on the computer.
What is your problem? It's not that fun.
But you do know it is a telephone, right?
Yes.
Would you
You're
have known that if I
watching
hadn't
old
told
movies.
you?
You need to watch small movies.
What is? This is so hard. Does this even work?
Hey, this used to take us 30 minutes just to dial somebody's number.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, God.
Could you push a button or something?
Could you ask it for help?
No, I'm not gonna do that. Okay, I'm not gonna do that.
You need to see this in the finish videos. Aiden, how old are you, darling?
13.
13?
Yeah.
Oh, and you're trying to use this phone because you...
Wait, do I have to dial?
Where's your cell phone? Do you have to... Yeah, I think they push the button.
Watch out, Olivia.
No, I'm not gonna do that either. That's not how you do
There
it.
you go.
I've seen it on TV. I just don't know.
I want to do it.
Well, Libby might. Let's see if Libby can do it. Here, scoot over. I think it's her turn.
Wait,
No,
I
your
can
time
do
is
it.
up.
I can do it. I can do it.
My turn.
No
It's her
way.
turn, really.
I bet I can do it.
Can you still see it? This is Libby.
Wait, should we show him?
No, I want her to try first. Okay, let her
Here,
try
Aiden.
first.
Okay,
One
let's
second.
You're
Olivia
right
have a
off,
try.
So just back up. All right.
Olivia.
Show us how to do it. Call mommy.
Wow.
You're kidding.
She's got it right.
First try. No technology.
What do you mean she's got it right?
She's got the right idea.
Yeah, put your finger in it. Pull it down. There you go.
How you do it?
You're doing
Keep
it.
going.
That's the way.
Yeah, till it stops.
Pull it all the way till it stops. Put your finger back in the hole and pull it down to the little stopper.
What's the stopper?
Well, you try it. Pull it.
Pull it the other way.
Pull down.
There you go.
That's
Now
how
let
you
go.
do it.
Now let go.
Let go.
Now do a 9.
What's
Where's
mine?
the 3? Where's there? Now you gotta pull it to the stopper.
Other way.
How old are you, Olivia?
3.
How did your teacher how to do
No.
it?
Okay, let me try it.
Let you try it.
Hang it up. Hang it up and start fresh.
903.
Find the 9.
No.
No, that's a 1.
That's a 1. There's a difference between the 1 and the 9.
Oh, I get it.
Let it go.
I want to try again.
It's actually supposed to rotate faster.
Can I try?
There you go. That's how you do it.
Olivia.
Look at Colby and say, I figured it out.
I figured it out.
You did.
Can I try again?
Sure.
Okay, good job.